Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch SE to your phone. First, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS and your Apple Watch SE has at least 50% charge. Next, activate both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone. It's crucial to keep both devices in close proximity throughout the entire pairing process to ensure a smooth and successful connection. These initial steps are vital for a seamless setup. Now, power on your Apple Watch SE. On your iPhone, open the dedicated Apple Watch application. You'll see a Start Pairing option on both your watch and your phone. Tap it on both. Then, hold your iPhone over your Apple Watch, aligning the watch face within the yellow frame that appears on your iPhone screen. This initiates the automatic pairing process, making it quick and easy. Should the automatic pairing not work, simply tap Pair Apple Watch manually on your iPhone. Your watch will then display a unique 6-digit code. Enter this code into your iPhone. You'll then choose whether to set up your watch as a brand new device or restore from an existing backup. Finally, agree to the terms and conditions and create a secure passcode for your new Apple Watch. Almost there. Next, select which wrist you'll wear your watch on and its orientation. You can then choose which applications to install and enable helpful features like Siri. The final step involves waiting for your data to synchronize, which typically takes several minutes. Once complete, your Apple Watch SE will be fully connected and ready for you to enjoy all its amazing functionalities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.